friends, we're going to do a science experiment. An experiment is a scientific test to see what happens when you try something new. Our experiment today is going to be about making candy dissolve. Dissolve means to melt into a liquid. We're going to try melting these candy corn into different liquids to see which one will dissolve the candy corn the fastest. We have cold water. It had ice cubes in it to make sure it was cold, but the ice cubes have dissolved into the water now. Cold water. We have hot water. Make sure when you do this experiment at home, you have a grown-up help you. I'm using my mitt to keep my hands safe from the hot water. You can tell it's hot because it creates steam on the glass. We have oil. And we have some seltzer. You hear that? Those bubbles are the seltzer. I'm going to move these cups a little further so we can see all of our glasses better. Here's our seltzer bubbles. Which liquid do you think will melt the candy corn the fastest? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 liquids. So I need 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4 candy corns. Now, I'm going to use my phone to time my candy corns melting. Ready? Here it's going to do a countdown. If I can get it started. There it goes. It's counting down to see which of our liquids will dissolve our candy corn first. The cold water? Candy corn's not doing much. The hot water? I see some bubbles coming off of the candy corn. The oil, candy corn's not doing much. And the seltzer, I see a lot of bubbles happening in the seltzer, but maybe that's just seltzer bubbles. We're going to come back and check in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. It's been 7 minutes and 32, 33, 34 seconds. Let's see what we have. Here's our first one. This is the candy corn in the cold water. Here's the candy corn in the hot water. Here's the candy corn in the oil. And here's the seltzer. We can't see the candy corn in this seltzer because it's not clear. But we'll check out what's happening in there in a second. Let's move on to seeing what. Let's see what they look like after we stir them. Let's see how well they dissolved. That's the cold water. The hot water. Ooh, what are those things in there? The color of the water has changed. the oil. I better get a new spoon. And the seltzer. I'm curious about this one because we haven't been able to see what's happening in there. I see the candy corn floating around. So here we go. Here are our candy corns. Cold water, hot water. Look, it's very small. Oil and seltzer. What do you think the results of our test are, our experiment? It looks like the one most dissolved is the hot water. It's almost completely gone. Which one is the least dissolved? It's a little bit of a battle, but it looks to me like the oil did not dissolve the candy corn. Thanks for experimenting with me, guys. That was fun. We'll try more experiments later.